we're here because this is a great way to connect people in the natural world as well as people in the many organizations that are trying to make a difference in the natural world. This fourth Environmental Expo in general provides lots of opportunities for people to connect where they are. We'll take folks where they are, help them connect to lots of other things. So whether it's you're interested in cooking, we have solar cooking. Whether you're interested in animals, we have reptiles and owls and birds and turtles, etc. Or you're interested in how to recycle better, to refuse, reduce, reuse, and recycle, the 4 R's, which are an essential part of what folks learn. Or you just want to know more about Dyke Marsh or Mason Neck or the Occoquan Regional Park. There are just lots of different ways, or Fort Hunt Park in general, this historic Fort Hunt Park. The biggest takeaway is to be open and curious and learn. So we're looking for one more thing that maybe you haven't done before that you'll do as a result of having been here. So,
a large percentage of the park exists within Fairfax County. Supervisor Stork has a personal kind of passion for history and the stories of what make our nation great. And so I think there's a nexus there where we join together. And through the last 4 years, really, we've connected on a variety of issues, this being a really important one of community support.